Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. First and foremost, I want to let you guys know that I just finished getting over the flu. The last video that I did for you guys, I had a cold. Well, after that cold, I ended up getting the flu. So if you hear me sounding jacked up, I'm still jacked up, okay? I'm trying to have a sense of humor about all of this because I am not really feeling my 100% best. Oh my god, I keep telling my husband and telling everyone, like, this year I got sick a lot. It's incredible. But I really wanted to put this video out before Christmas comes in case anybody want to make it for Christmas for your family. So if my voice sounds a little raspy or whatever, I am really sorry, okay? I am truly sorry. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make macaroni salad with tuna. I have similar videos of this in my channel, but I did it a little bit different. I did it a little bit my way and a little bit the way my mother makes it. I combined the way me and her does it in this video, if it makes any sense, okay? It's a very simple recipe, and yeah, I really do hope that you enjoy it. Again, I'm sorry the way my voice sounds. I'm just jacked up, okay? With that being said, let's continue this video. So to a pot of boiling water, I am gonna add my elbow macaroni pasta. You want to make sure that you add salt to your boiling water. Now you can make this recipe with elbows, but you could also make it with spiral, penne, whichever pasta that you like. I'm also gonna add 6 eggs. Now for some reason I lost the clip of me cutting my Cuban pepper. But yes, that is Cuban pepper. I'm gonna be using yellow pepper, red pepper, and I'm also gonna be cutting some red onion. Now it all depends what peppers you have in your house. You work with what you have, but that's what I had on hand and that's what I'm gonna use. Also, you don't have to add the red onion. That's what I happen to have on hand, and I happen to love red onion. But if you have white, Spanish, whichever onion you have in your house, you could use it as well. And here is everything nice and cut. Also make sure that you cut it into very small pieces. Now to my cast iron skillet, I'm gonna add some extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna add all of my peppers and my onions in there. I'm looking for like a translucent feel to it. I know I'm not making no sense. I'm sorry. I'm sick. But that's what I'm looking for. I also decided to add some extra virgin olive oil because to me I felt like it needed a little bit more. Now look at this product that I got from Shein. Oh yeah, I am in love with this. It is a salt and pepper grinder. And I'm adding some salt and pepper. Just make sure you don't add too much salt. You could always add salt later on. You're going to want to cook this for a few minutes until it's translucent. My pasta is done. When your pasta is done, make sure that you run it in cold water. And then after you run it in cold water, make sure that you strain it very well. Make sure you take out as much water from the pasta as possible. You want to make sure this is a little dry. Next, I'm gonna be adding my vegetables. Now, you're gonna wanna add little by little. You guys know I've been trying to give you guys measurement, but I eyeball everything. So I'm adding a little bit at a time. I'm also gonna add a can of tuna. This is the one in water. Please get the one in water. Do not get the one that says in oil. No. Get the one that is in water. Drain out all the water and add your tuna. Now I only added 1 can, but I would have preferred to use 2 cans for this large amount because it was a lot of pasta. It was a whole box. So it all depends how much tuna you and your family likes. I'm gonna be adding mayonnaise. Throughout the video, you're gonna see me eyeball the mayonnaise. I will let you know how much spoons of mayonnaise I ended up using. I'm adding some black pepper. Add black pepper to your liking. I'm also adding some dried parsley. Add some salt. I'm also gonna add some white vinegar. As you can see, I eyeball everything, but I did a cap full of vinegar. I ended up using more. I will let you know that a little later on in this video. And mix away. Sometimes the tuna comes in chunks. Make sure you break it a little bit with your spoon, for that way you don't have big chunks. I'm gonna taste it, see if it needs anything. I always say taste as you go. So here I am adding mayonnaise. To me, I added around 6 to 7 spoons of mayonnaise, tablespoons. You add as little or as much as you want. I'm adding some salt, also to your liking. And here I am adding vinegar. Just taste as you go. I'm just giving you the measurements how I did it. I felt like it needed a little bit more peppers and the onions, so I ended up adding more. Here I am tasting it. And it is exactly to my liking. Next, I'm going to add my eggs, but first I'm going to add at least about a half can of corn. It all depends how much corn you and your family likes. And then I'm going to cut my eggs. Now, I didn't use all the eggs for this recipe. I cooked 6 eggs, but I only used 4. The other 2 I used it for garnish. You're going to see it in this video. And mix everything up again. Here I am reserving some of this salad for my husband's lunch the next day. That's why you see me taking it out in a separate bowl. I got some roasted peppers. Sometimes it's called roasted peppers or roasted pimientos. It's both the same. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go and cut my roasted peppers into like long lines. I just want to make my salad look pretty. It's all for presentation. So in case you have company over or you do this for the holidays or a birthday or celebration, you know more or less how to garnish it, how to make it look pretty for your guest. And here I am cutting my eggs. The way you want to cut your eggs, it's on you. And here I am trying to make my salad look very pretty. I may be sick, but let me tell you something. Every time I edit these videos, it just makes me so happy to know that number one, I'm editing this video for you guys to make it for your family and know that your family and yourself is gonna love this recipe. And I don't know, it just brings me joy. I'm also gonna just garnish the eggs with a little bit more of the dry parsley. Now this has nothing to do with the macaroni salad. The macaroni salad is already done. This particular day I was cooking. I did a come cook with me video. I'm gonna leave the link to that video below. I made some curry chicken cutlets. I also made it with some sweet plátanos, some pink beans, white rice. You're gonna see some clips of that right now. And here is the rice. Again, I'm gonna leave the link to my come cook with me video. You'll be able to see everything from start to finish in that video. My pink beans with the ham. Ooh, yes. Me editing this video, I'm getting a little depressed now. I really am. Because I've been eating soup all these days and I'm so freaking tired of eating soup. God knows how tired I am of eating ramen soup and freaking lim dim soup. I can't wait to get better before I could eat a good meal. But here is my macaroni salad that I'm getting very depressed looking at because I'm sick. But here it is, nice and creamy, delicious, flavorful. Oh, your family is gonna love it. Again, I think you should use 2 cans of tuna, but that's me. And this is what I made this particular day. Again, my video is in the description box below. Come cook with me video. The only thing I didn't add was the macaroni salad because I wanted to do it separate. Because I know the holidays is coming and people are going to want to make it for their family. But I made some pink beans with ham, white rice, sweet plátanos, the macaroni salad that you just saw in this video from start to finish. My famous curry chicken cutlets that my kids always devour every time I make it. Oh man, you gotta taste that chicken. That chicken is bomb.com. Your family's gonna love it. You better make it because it's very, very delicious. And I'm not just saying it because it's from me. I'm saying it because it's the truth. So yes, we have come to the ending of the video. I really do hope that you enjoyed this recipe. I'm so sorry I wasn't bugging out and I wasn't really my cheerful self. I was trying. I got a little happy towards the very ending of this video because I love to do these type of videos for you guys and know that you guys are gonna try it, you're gonna make it for your family, and I know your family is gonna love it. I had to do this video in these conditions because I still have to edit the Thanksgiving dinner that I did after Thanksgiving. I have to still edit those videos. It could still be useful for your holiday meal as well. Maybe you could get a recipe or two from what I made for Thanksgiving and utilize it for this holiday for you and your family. Okay, and I'm gonna try to do it ASAP before Christmas comes. So please pray for a fast recovery. I know I'm gonna be better. I know I'm gonna get well. I'm getting better now, but I'm still, I still got a stuffy nose and I'm still not my 100%. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and your family. Take care. God bless. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.